Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Dr. Mohammad Rafi. I am presently serving as head of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department at Karachi campus. Today I'll be giving you a detailed view of my joining in FAST as a student and the entire journey till the becoming the head of the Department of AI and Artificial and Data Science. So I joined FAST in 1994 as a PCS student. We were a batch of 50 students, and at that time we used to have our PCHS campus. So started my first semester with the 5 courses, and at that time teachers were amazing teachers. Like we have been taught for physics one by Sayyid Iftikhar Ali and ICP by Dr. Arif Sattar. And I felt so lucky that at that time they were very committed teachers, and they cover all the aspects that are required to transform a student into a professional uh, computer science graduates. So in the first semester, there were programming labs and programming tutorial by teaching assistant. We used to have for 50 students, we used to have 3 teaching assistants, and we have weekly programming assignments were given, and after every week we received the feedback on every assignment. That was like a very contributing part of teaching at that time. And uh, in the next semester, we were taught by ICS is taught by Dr. Hilal Qureshi, and again we were like some very good teachers were like introduced, and uh, we were lucky that we spent good time at the PCGS campus, uh, and progressively in the third semester we have courses like discrete structures and operating system. And we were lucky that at that time, discrete structure is also taught by Dr. Hilal Qureshi, and the books that we used to have in this course were very amazing books like Prathar, Discrete Structure by Prathar, and Discrete Structure by Davis. So these two books were like the very good book in creating the foundational uh, concepts of discrete structure. All in all, this third semester was very challenging. That in which we have uh, very challenging subject like data structures, operating system, and discrete structure. But at that time, we were a small community and we are helping each other very well. So it was a learning opportunity for all of us to have a teacher like uh, who are like giving uh, very innovative assignments and artifacts for our training. So it was like in 1995 fall. Then from spring 1996 we moved to this new campus, and at that time we the entire campus were very new. The only the CS building was there, and we used to have the transports from all the areas of Karachi, and we came all the way 1 hour drive from all different part of Karachi, and we came here at the campus, and we used to spend the entire day like a family at this campus. And that was like the thing that I really cherish about spending time at this campus. This was like spring of 1996. In the fall of 1996, we were in the final semester, and there was a quite a demand of a computer science professional from the industry of abroad, and Pakistan uh, equally very demanding. So we graduated about 42 students from the batch, and we were lucky that we got jobs very quickly after graduating from the FAST. So these 3 years BCS degree program are very valuable. That you transform in just 3 years, you will be able to get a professional jobs in a big companies like Crestsoft, Process, and the banking industries. and Unisys, and there are other big companies at that time. So we were very lucky that in doing only 3 years of degree program, we are transformed into good computer professional. So I joined a private software house and I worked there for 1 year. Then I come again for my master's program at the FAST ICS Karachi campus. And at that time, the then director, Dr. Ilal Qureshi, asked me to join as a network manager. Uh, so I decided to join FAST as a network manager, and I served till 1998 as a network manager. At that time, we used to have Knowledge Netware at our networks, and we used to have 100 plus computers, and we also maintaining email server, directory servers, and file servers. So I joined as a network manager, and from there I transformed the network into a multi-network operating system along with internet services and email services. And I learned a lot by managing these services to for the entire campus. So I learned a lot. And later on, in the spring of 1999, there was a requirement for a teacher for a computer programming course. So I've been asked to teach this programming course, and this was the very first time that I opt teaching as a as a my as a career, and I start teaching. And in that time, I did not know that I'll be able to teach very well. So because of the commitment and the concept that we learned in the earlier research program, I able to deliver computer programming course very well. And since then, uh, I like this idea of teaching very much, and I'll keep on pursuing this teaching as a career. So I become a lecturer in 1999, 2000, and start delivering lecture for computer science curricula. And I must say that the idea of teaching comes from the inspiration of all these teachers: Dr. Mumtazul Imam, Dr. Ilal Qureshi, Dr. Hasina Khatun, Dr. Zafar Nasir. And I try my best to deliver all the technical courses to the very best way possible. In 2000, I also recommended for a training on data warehousing. In 2000, I went to Cyprus for a training on the course of data warehousing, high performance data warehousing, and this 14 days training impart a lot of good knowledge, cutting edge knowledge for all of the candidates that were there from Pakistan. And I offered the very same course from the next semester. This is the spring of 2001, and there were a big uh, number of students from MCS program were enrolled, and I enjoyed this cutting edge technology course very much. And that was a turning point in the global collaboration for this technological uh, teaching. And we at the very same time we associated with the Microsoft technologies and Oracle technologies, and we become the authorized academic training partners of these technologies. And afterward we developed the curriculum based on these technologies, and we integrated this curriculum in our VCS program. In 2001, very big step was that FAST institution were granted a charter for a national level university, and the National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences was formed at that time. And we were multi-campus university in Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. These campus were like earlier established. After granting this charter as a university, we offer multiple programs. For example, 4 year degree program in computing, and also the master's program, 2 year master's program in computing. So this was established. The institution is transformed into a big university, and since then we have been offering a lot of different program. We introduced telecommunication engineering program in 2004, and similarly a management science program in 2005. And since then, the university is offering a lot of different programs in a lot of different areas. So in 2005, we also have um, uh, more campuses coming from, for example, Peshawar campus was introduced in 2005. One of the very important and flagship event of Karachi campus is Procom. We started Procom in 1997, the very first time we organized this Procom event with a very shoestring budget, and there were only two or three competition, for example, programming competition, software exhibition, and similarly a quiz for the programming. So at that time there was not such events in other university, and as a leading computer science institution, all of our students want to have a competitive environment and a competition at the uh, campus level. So we started this with a bunch of students and a society, and that program event was like very successful, and a lot of people participated from other institution as well. And since then it become a regular feature. Every year we organize Procom. So from 1997, 1998, and in 2000, the earlier three version of Procom was like with a very shoestring budget, and we saw these events now become a very big event. For example, the last year Procom was like a very big event. It has a very huge budget, and more than 5,000 students participated in more than 100 competition. So you can see that this event started with a very idea of having a competitive environment for all the students, is grown into a very big competitive events for the entire Pakistan. So Procom was also a very contributing factor for the popularity of computer science in Karachi and in Pakistan as well. So why I select uh, teaching as a career? Just because of the culture of learning and innovation at FAST. So I was part of Student Society Spoke, and we used to have software exhibitions and software development, and we used to help each other very oftenly. So this type of interaction among a student will make you quite rich in in helping others. So when I joined as a network manager, I was offered a course on computer programming, and uh, I started teaching computer programming, and I received a lot of appreciation from my student because of my commitment to deliver high quality content with a lot of practical examples. So I was like the appreciation was like extraordinary for me, and I kept on offering courses on computer programming and data structures, and I e- I keep on offering these courses for a lot of many times since 2000. I used to teach this course till 2005, and in 2005 we have a very large batch of 300 students. So it was practically very challenging to teach a large batch of 300 students for the programming course. But I was lucky that I developed two or three teaching assistant during that time, and they were like motivated, and they joined our institution, and together we able to deliver these courses very effectively one more time. And we and in 2004 and 5, these courses were like uh, very transformative courses for the student, because these programming and data structures are the core courses of our program, and if they very effectively delivered, they transform these student into a good computer science professional. So this was the case when I start teaching, and since then I enjoy teaching. I introduce a lot of different new courses. I completed my PhD in August of 2017, and now later I become assistant professor. So throughout these my stay at FAST, the thing that motivate me every day is basically the culture of learning and teaching and innovation at FAST. So we always kept all these things pure on merit, and we receive very good committed student throughout these many batches, and these amazing students basically transform and uh, build the rapport of this institution to the point that people are now dreaming about having a degree from Fast ICS, NUSIS, Karachi campus, or other campuses as well. I would also like to mention a few teachers of teachers who have contributed a lot in the journey of Fast NUSIS. One such teacher was like Dr. Hilal Qureshi. He was very popular among the student. His teaching style is like very committed, very passionate, and he used to teach like uh, as a father, a fatherly figure. So he explained each and everything to a level where every student can understand it very easily. So Dr. Hilal was a director at that time, and the entire focus of his directorship was to maintain a very high standard of education in the institution, and we receive students on merit, and we always try to introduce new technologies and innovation to our students. And the same time, we were lucky that a lot of new foreign graduates regularly join fast and making contribution. So, for example, Abbas Kazim Zaidi Saab and similarly Waqar Khamsani Saab was joined in 1996, and they delivered top of the line courses on machine learning and data mining and artificial intelligence. You can think that in 1994 or 5 and 6, courses like these courses were taught at a local university with only a PC based environment, and we able to develop good projects on these technologies. And that was a turning point in the entire technological process or thinking of the students. And similarly, later on, we also joined by a lot of committed teacher. Like in 2009, once again, we have joined by some Fulbright scholars from USA and some other PhD faculty member from USA like Jawad Shamsi Saab, Sufyan Hamid Saab, and similarly Tariq Mahmood Saab, Imran Rauf Saab, and Dr. Furkan Saab. They have played their part in the curriculum and teaching of the campus as well. So all in all, we were able to attract some good faculty from USA and from some other developing country to come here and make contribution to the education. And that was like a very good point for our university, that these people come with a top of the line PhD degree and research, and they contributed in the fostering of these new batches very well. One of the very best aspect of our university is that we continuously seeing the lookout of the technology, and we able to introduce new emerging technology courses in our curriculum. So we started MS Data Science in 2014 at the master's level, and this program was like very much appreciated and received by the companies who are like continuously facing challenging challenges to acquire these technological resources. So this program was introduced in 2014 with a 40 student for an MS batch, and since then this is a very popular program. We later on felt that this is a technology that we need a lot, and we increase the size of this MS data science batch from 40 to 120 students are there. Similarly, we also introduce some very innovative degree program at the bachelor level. For example, BS AI and BS Data Sciences we introduced from the School of Computing. Similarly, BS Analytics, Business Analytics, and BS in FinTech was introduced from the Management Science Department. Uh, the interesting thing is that these BS FinTech program was like designed by taking all the input from the entire industries of fintech industry of Pakistan. A lot of our graduates who are like serving the fintech industry as a leading professional, we took time and we asked them to give feedback on introducing such a degree, and we transform this new degree program we by taking input from all the industry people. And this is a very much practical course that we introduce, and we have received some very good response from the student. They joined us in large number, and we able to attract a lot of students in these new emerging program. And this is a plus point that Pakistan also need working professional in these areas, and we definitely serving as a national and international level these demands from our institution. Institution like National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences is contributing a lot to the national and international front, and this is the institution that uh, purely based on merit, and we admit a student all across Pakistan in an emerging curriculum of computer science and emerging technologies. And uh, with all the commitment and the facilities that are available across all Pakistan, we'll be able to increase the technological advancement in different areas, and we'll be able to produce high quality, very techno innovative students or graduates from all the campuses. And I wish that this institution is continue serving like this forever. uh, I wish all the best for all the people who are like looking forward to join fast music as a student or as a faculty, and I wish them all the best.